आज की रेसिपी ना सिर्फ ठंडी बल्कि सुपर हेल्दी भी है. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients first. For making the mango yogurt, we need around half a bowl of freshly chopped mangoes, half bowl plain yogurt. I choose homemade yogurt. Then we need around 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm using honey instead of sugar for the sweetness. And then we need few more random fruits of your choice. So yeah, let's get started. So we'll be taking a grinding jar and add in all the chopped mangoes. Now mangoes are a great source of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and are so very good for our eyes, heart and digestive system. Next we'll be adding curd. So now we all know that how important it is to eat curd daily during the summer season. Next we'll be adding honey. Now honey is being used as food as well as a medicine. So they are again rich in antioxidants and helps in lowering blood pressures and improves our cholesterol levels. And a combination of mangoes, honey and curd, they help in keeping our system stay very cool and improves the overall digestion system as well. So quickly we'll just grind these three ingredients. And here it is. It's already. We simply grinded the three magical ingredients to a simple smooth consistency. So it'll look something like this. Now let's quickly transfer it all to a bowl. So wow, it looks so creamy and yummy. So the mango yogurt is ready and you can enjoy it simply like this, but I'll be suggesting you to add some fruits to it. You can add fruits, any fruits of your choice, and here I'll be using dates. So dates are something that will add extra sweetness to the yogurt. Dates are really very healthy and they are very rich in iron. So we'll be adding some dates, few chunks of mangoes, bananas and few cherries to it, and simply we'll give it a mix. So slowly just give it a slow stir. Once you taste it and start eating it, I can assure you कि आप मार्केट की वो preservatives वाली custard powder खरीदना भूल जाएंगे. Now, if you were looking for some really quick and easy dessert recipe, then this mango yogurt, which is really utter yummy and also very healthy, then this recipe is definitely for you. We'll just be topping it with some cherries and mangoes on the top. And tantada, our delicious mango yogurt is all ready to be served. Serve it chilled in a glass bowl. This is one of the simplest, easiest and the quickest dessert recipes that you can ever make. It is healthy as well as yummy. So go try this out and I'm sure you'll love this yummy, creamy, delicious mango yogurt. इसे आपको ना ही सिर्फ खाने में बल्कि खिलाने में भी बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है because it is a really quick and yum recipe. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up guys, like and share this recipe. See you again in my next video. Till then take care and bye bye.